Looking for the best that are truly worth your money? In today's video, I've selected the top 5 best car buffing tools available in the market right now based on quality, performance, and real customer reviews. To save you time, I've added the latest prices and product links in the description below. Let's get started, starting with our first pick, Glossy car buffing tools. This 7-inch buffer polisher delivers impressive performance with its powerful 1600W motor, making paint correction, polishing, and surface restoration both fast and efficient. The motor provides consistent power for demanding jobs, easily removing oxidation, scratches, swirl marks, and stubborn stains while maintaining smooth operation. Its 7 variable speed control, ranging from 1000 to 3500 RPM, offers excellent precision, allowing users to switch from gentle polishing to aggressive cutting depending on the task. The 3 ergonomic operating options, direct grip, D-handle, and side handle, enhance comfort, stability, and control during extended detailing sessions. A complete set of 7 specialized polishing pads adds remarkable versatility, enabling everything from heavy defect removal to achieving a high-gloss showroom finish. Beyond automotive detailing, this machine performs exceptionally well on furniture, floors, and other hard surfaces, making it a practical, durable, and highly versatile polishing solution for both DIY enthusiasts and professional detailers seeking reliable, high-quality results. Next up, we have Albin car buffing tools. This random orbital polisher is a versatile detailing tool that delivers smooth, professional-quality results across a wide range of polishing and restoration tasks. With adjustable speeds from 1000 to 4500 RPM, it adapts easily to waxing, buffing, polishing, cleaning, and correcting paint imperfections, allowing users to match the power to each application. Lower speeds are perfect for applying wax and finishing, while higher settings efficiently remove oxidation, swirl marks, and light paint defects. Its ergonomic design, featuring interchangeable side and top handles along with a heat-insulated head, provides excellent comfort and control during extended use while reducing operator fatigue. The included foam and synthetic wool pads make it easy to tackle different stages of the detailing process without purchasing additional accessories. Suitable for cars, boats, furniture, flooring, pianos, and metal surfaces, this polisher saves both time and money by delivering faster, safer, and more consistent results while helping preserve the appearance and longevity of painted surfaces. Coming in at number 3, Kotaros car buffing tools. This cordless random orbital buffer polisher combines convenience, performance, and user-friendly operation, making it an excellent choice for both beginners and experienced detailers. Powered by a durable pure copper brushed motor and a dual-action polishing system, it safely delivers swirl-free polishing, waxing, cleaning, and light scratch removal while protecting your vehicle's paint. The cordless design eliminates cable restrictions, allowing greater freedom to work around cars with ease. Its 8 adjustable speed settings, ranging from 2800 to 6300 RPM, provide precise control for everything from applying wax to correcting minor paint imperfections, while the smart LED display keeps speed and battery levels clearly visible. The 8mm orbital action minimizes vibration, noise, and heat buildup for smoother, more consistent results. Supplied with two 21V 2000 mAh rechargeable batteries and a fast charger, it offers extended runtime for larger detailing jobs. Weighing just 3 pounds with an ergonomic non-slip grip, it ensures comfortable handling and reduced fatigue during prolonged polishing sessions. Now at number 4, Niaskin car buffing tools. This cordless random orbital polisher is a well-rounded detailing tool that combines power, portability, and precision to deliver professional quality, swirl-free finishes on a variety of surfaces. Its dual-action polishing mechanism evenly distributes polish while minimizing heat buildup, making it safe for paint correction, waxing, polishing, cleaning, and light scratch removal. With 6 adjustable speed settings from 2800 to 5800 RPM and a convenient LED display for monitoring speed and battery life, users can easily tailor performance to each task. The included dual 21V 2000 mAh rechargeable batteries provide extended runtime, allowing uninterrupted detailing of both compact cars and larger SUVs. Weighing only 3.3 pounds, The ergonomic cordless design offers exceptional comfort and freedom of movement, reducing fatigue during extended use. The comprehensive accessory kit, featuring multiple polishing pads, wool pads, bonnets, and sanding discs, adds outstanding versatility for automotive, marine, furniture, and metal restoration, making it an excellent investment for both DIY enthusiasts and professional detailers. And finally, our last pick: Hispeed car buffing tools. This car buffer polisher delivers an excellent balance of power, precision, and durability, making it a reliable choice for both enthusiasts and professional detailers. Its smooth, quiet operation effectively removes oxidation, light scratches, swirl marks, and stubborn stains while restoring a deep, glossy, showroom-quality finish. The built-in constant power control board maintains consistent performance during extended polishing sessions without excessive heat buildup, ensuring dependable operation. With 7 adjustable speed settings, it easily adapts to delicate finishing, waxing, paint correction, and heavy-duty polishing, providing optimal control for every detailing task. Weighing only 4.5 pounds, the compact ergonomic design, detachable D-handle, side handle, and safety lock switch offer exceptional comfort, stability, and reduced fatigue during prolonged use. The included premium sponge pads, wool pads, and sandpapers enhance versatility while protecting paint from damage. Beyond automotive detailing, this versatile machine also performs exceptionally well on furniture, metal, and other hard surfaces, making it a practical all-in-one polishing solution for a variety of restoration projects. So those were the top 5 best you can buy right now. If this video helped you choose the right product faster and easier, please hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications for more honest product reviews. Remember, all the product links with updated prices are in the description below. Thanks for watching.